Hey guys, I'm trying to make some changes to the Turtlebot. So the problem is that the original IMU from the Turtlebot does not provide any heading, or when I say heading, I mean magnetic field information. So I'm gonna hook up an external IMU. This one is BNO055 and a GPS sensor, and leveraging robot localization package, which provides extended Kalman filter. And a bunch of other sensor fusion stuff should be able to read magnetic field data and IMU information from those external sensors. So the problem I'm having right now is that I already disabled the original Turtlebot IMU, but you see when I move this new IMU, the odometry or the heading of the robot does not change. And let's check out other odometry topics. This one is odom filtered. I don't know why it's yellow. Your answers would be much appreciated here. Here's the RQT node or tree. So over here we have this IMU node passing information to IMU data. It's kind of a mess here. Then we have this NMIA 0 driver, which is a GPS driver. Provides GPS information in /fix. And once we have, I skipped a step here. We do receive the original odometry, or I should say the wheel odometry, the wheel encoder information as /odom topic. And eventually we have the /odom /filtered, which will be passed back to move base. So that's the RQT tree for the frames, for the TF transforms, I should say. A minor problem here is that we have a base footprint. There's no transform between base link and base footprint. So originally in Turtlebot, they have base link under the base footprint, but in this case, I don't think that really matter. It's just a lot of warnings flowing around like that. And we do also have some warning messages in the what do you call this again? The navigation. When I run Turtlebot navigation. Let's do a quick Ross WTF and see what's going on. Ross WTF. Oh. Okay. I don't know what's going on. So what I'll do is to also post my commands and the screenshots into a Ross question. I mean, like, put in everything in a Google Doc or a Word document. And I would really appreciate any instructions. So thank you in advance. Thank you in advance for your help. And hope to hear back from you. So here I'm echoing the odometry filtered. As you can see, the position orientation just doesn't change. And in addition, turning the robot also doesn't change the orientation in the RViz.